smart object storage can be programmable. And so we agree with Bob, but we're not saying do it here, do it here. This core fundamental layer across regions, across clouds that everyone has, simple in. Right now, it's hard to get data in for access, for analysis. So we said simple in will automate the entire process, give you API access across regions, across clouds. And again, how do you do a distributed join that's fast? How do you do a distributed join that doesn't cost you an arm or a leg? And how do you do it at scale? And that's where we've been focused.
So prior to the cloud object store was a niche.
Yeah.
S3 obviously changed that. How standard is essentially object store across the different cloud platforms? Is that a problem for you? Is that an easy thing to solve?
Let's talk about it. I mean, fundamentally, we've abstracted, but fundamentally, cloud object storage, put, get, and list. That's why it's so scalable, because it doesn't have all these other components. That complexity is where we have moved up and provide direct analytical API access. So because of its simplicity and cost and security and reliability, it can scale naturally across, I mean, really, distributed object storage is easy. It's put, get, anywhere. Now, what we've done is we put a layer of intelligence, called smart object storage, where access is simple. So whether it's multi-region, do a query cross, or multi-cloud, do a query cross, or hunting, searching.
We have clients doing Amazon and Google. We have some Azure, but more, we see Amazon and Google more, and it's a consistent service across all of them. Just literally put your data in a bucket of choice or folder of choice, click a couple buttons, literally click that to say that's hot, and after that it's hot. You can see it, but we're not moving data. There's data gravity issue. That's the other bad. Yeah. It's already natively flowing to these pools of object storage across different regions and clouds. We don't move it. We index it right there. We're spinning up stateless compute, back to the SuperCloud concept. But now that allows us to do all these other things, right?
And so it's no longer just cheap and deep object store.
But we make it the same. Like you have an analytic platform, regardless of where you're at. You don't have to worry about that. Yeah, we deal with that. We deal with the stateless compute coming up.
And make it programmable. Right? Be able to say, I want this bucket to provide these answers. Right? That's really the hope, the vision, and the complexity to build the entire stack and then connect them together. We said the fabric is cloud storage. We just provide the intelligence on top.